Hello and welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin of the top news stories on PKN Packaging News, Australia's media hub for the packaging industry. I'm PKN's publisher Lindy Hewson, and this week's episode is brought to you by Filton Packaging, a trusted Australian manufacturer of flexible packaging combining cutting-edge print technology with tailored film and bag solutions to elevate your brand. We start this week with Samsara Eco, which has opened its first enzymatic recycling plant in Jerrabomberra, New South Wales. Using its EOS Eco technology, the facility brings infinite recycling to commercial scale and creates new opportunities for packaging circularity. EOS Eco uses AI-crafted enzymes to break down plastics, including flexible and multi-layer formats, into virgin identical raw materials. Our technology is specifically developed to handle hard-to-recycle plastics, CEO and founder Paul Riley told PKN. By using enzymes, we break down plastics to their original building blocks, helping to solve for previously unrecyclable packaging. Then in Victoria, EPA approval has paved the way for the state's first advanced chemical recycling plant for soft plastics by granting a development license to APR Chemcycle, whose new facility will use pyrolysis to convert waste soft plastics into oil for reprocessing into packaging feedstock. A collaboration between APR Plastics, Aster Chemicals and Energy, Tagleaf Industries and Propack Group, APR Chemcycle will initially process 10 tonnes a day with a target of 3,000 tonnes a year. CEO Darren Thorpe said getting the development license approval was a massive milestone, calling advanced recycling a feasible and viable solution for soft plastics in Australia. Meanwhile, Cleanaway and Viva Energy have advanced plans for a large-scale circular plastics hub in Geelong, shortlisting Altera and Axons to design pyrolysis systems and launching a feasibility study. The study will assess process design, economics and product quality with the goal of producing plastic pyrolysis oil to be refined into food-grade polypropylene. Turning to policy, New South Wales and South Australia will expand their container deposit schemes from 2027 to include wine and spirit bottles and larger drink containers. The move is expected to see almost 500 million additional containers recycled annually, saving 27,000 tonnes of material from landfill in New South Wales alone. Also in South Australia, the state has officially banned the small plastic soy sauce containers shaped like fish, typically found accompanying sushi takeout, as part of the state's single-use plastics phase-out. And in packaging innovation, Brown Brothers has launched a limited edition Prosecco in a 750 milliliter aluminium bottle, the first of its kind in Australia. Developed with CCL Industries, the bottle is 40% lighter than glass and uses direct 8-color printing for branding without sleeves or labels. According to CCL, the breakthrough has been enabled by its trademarked Body Shapes technology, which allows for dramatic curves and contours throughout the length of the aluminium container, replicating the premium cues of traditional glass. Then in some other beverage packaging news, Grove Juice is soon to get a new bottling line thanks to a $2.5 million grant from the New South Wales government. The new automated line will increase facility output to up to 100,000 containers per hour. The news coming out of Foodtech PackTech in New Zealand this week is that intelligent identification companies Matthews Australasia and Reynolds Group have formed a trans-Tasman partnership, with Reynolds unveiling its new logo that integrates Matthews' well-known chameleon icon. Congratulations to both companies. And in Australia, Opal hosted its Innovation Expo, showcasing new digital printing and cutting technologies, which it says redefine speed, flexibility and creative possibilities. Opal's specialty packaging team presented what it described as a wonderland awash with vibrant colors, show-stopping design and clever engineering, all made from cardboard and powered by its digital technologies. And then one last snippet. I was attending the Sydney Marathon last weekend, and it was really great to see the participant gear bags this year were made from Plastic, which is a packaging solution made from recycled ocean-bound plastic developed by Better Packaging Company. The organizers also implemented a closed-loop collection scheme, and participants were encouraged to either reuse their bags or return them at dedicated collection points across the marathon site for guaranteed recycling. Well, that is all we have time for today, folks. For more on these and other stories, head over to our website, packagingnews.com.au. Thank you, as ever, for watching.